Would you believe me if I told you that we made this pot of egusi soup with less than 5,000 naira? We made it with less than 5,000 naira, and that's what I'm about to show you now. If this sounds like what you would like to watch, keep watching and subscribe to our channel for more affordable meals. So I'll be showing you guys my ingredients and telling you the price alongside. So do the math and drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to drop your thoughts also in the comment section. We got our melon for 800 naira. We added 200 naira crayfish and 100 naira uziza seed to eat while grinding. We got our kpomo for 200, our onions for 100, our dawa for 100, stockfish for 250. Our fish, we got it for 1,200, and our soaked bitter leaf for 200 naira, and our fresh peppers for 200 naira. And that is all. We had other oil and seasoning cubes at home. So we steamed our fish, added our oil to an empty pot, then added our locust beans or dawa as we locally call it, and onions to the pot. Add your blended pepper and mix, then allow it to cook for a while as you're seeing. While it's cooking, you just make sure you're checking on it. Then you go ahead and seasoning with your cubes and salt. I'm adding just a little pinch of salt because I already added some to my fish while I was steaming it. Sorry guys, I have a cracked voice because of I have kata. So I added my melon. I mixed my melon with cold water and I added it. So this is how I do it. I fry it. This is the frying method of cooking egusi. Some people will add it and just allow it to cook for a while, then add water. But me, I'm mixing mine because I don't want it to end up in big chunks. I hate it. I like those smaller chunks, those smaller pieces of egusi while I'm eating it. So this is how I do it. Just do it as like so, and then you continue. So I added water, a little bit of water because the pot was drying up. Then I added my meat stock with my fish stock, sorry, with my kpomo and my stockfish. I added them together because those ones they are a little bit hard. So while cooking together, it gets softer. I covered for a while, came back to check on it. This was it cooking nicely. You mix everything together. Mix it well, give it a good taste. Then you add your remaining ingredients. I'm adding my bitter leaf. Sometimes I use bitter leaf and uziza leaf, but today I couldn't get it, so I'm using only bitter leaves. This was it. I allowed it to cook for a while. I covered and allowed it to cook for a while and came back. Can you see how nice it's looking? Like, can you see how this egusi is looking? This recipe is not just for simple meals. It's not just for, you can cook this egusi soup with assorted meat, whatever you want to use, shaki, kpomo, meat, goat meat, anything, whatever proteins you want to add to it, you can still add to it and still make the same meal. But this is a meal on a budget of less than 5k. So this is what we had to use, just fish and kpomo with some stockfish. This is it guys. After mixing it, I added my fish, added water and allowed it to cook for a while because I don't like smelling melon while eating it. So I like it to cook well. I cook my melon very well before bringing it down from fire. So this was it. The soup was ready. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting. I love you guys. This is it. I thought to just show you how this amazing recipe went down. Come on, check out the melon. Subscribe for more affordable meals recipe.